Well, we do have Olrun ready for us to talk to him about that last game against Final Form. What an incredible comeback from you guys. What do you have to say about that?
That was pretty hype. Just the moment there, we got the decap at far, and we were just pushing for the three cap there. Zromus portaled into far. I got the kill on him there, and we just started screaming because we knew we were gonna get that three cap, and we were just trying to like we were counting bodies, just maintaining our control of the map, and we managed to hold it on till the end of the game, and that was very exciting, that comeback.
Yeah, I mean, you guys were kind of looking like you were falling apart there in that forest map, but you guys turned it back around. You guys were kind of losing a lot of those team fights in the early half. What did you change towards the halfway point in that match that allowed you to turn that back around and really get a lot of those kills that we saw towards the end?
Really, what it seemed like was that Final Form started trickling in across the map. Specifically, just when we started to get the three cap, SupQT ported in to try to hold the D cap at far. We killed him. He was in the downstate. Blah blah comes in, and they just start trickling in. And they didn't outnumber us anywhere. The best they got was delayed even fights across the map. And when we've got a three cap, it's going to take them forever that way to come back. In the current meta, they really needed a strong portal play or something to get back into the game.
Taking a look at how you guys have kind of, progressed as a team before the Pro League even began. You guys were like a top team, definitely a top 2, 3 team, and then kind of fell down with the new roster. Weren't sure really where you were at early on Pro League. Coming in and going to be finishing in the middle of the pack, definitely with, finishing out on next week's game. Looking forward, are you pretty, satisfied with your current roster at hand? I mean, this new balance patch that we're getting next week is definitely going to change things up. But do you feel comfortable with the players, how they're going to be able to adapt to that new meta?
I mean, yeah. So most of the players on our roster just really strong multi-classer. Bear's able to multi-class. I can multi-class. Steel multi-classes fairly well. Feov learns pretty fast. And I mean, even Stalagta, he used to only be known for his Ellie, but as you saw in those games, he played a very solid Necro. So just mechanically, all the players on our team are very solid. Like, we have the best mechanical mesmers in the game. The Revenants, they win every 1v1.
Oh man.
I mean, before long, Slacked is going to be better than Nozcock. You just let it happen.
All right. Well, any last words before we let you go here?
Nope, I'm good.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us, Olrun, and congrats on your victory over Final Form.